Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video, I am going to be doing a sponsored unboxing. Now if that's not interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this unboxing started. Please make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, link in the description. And again, you guys, I received my package, and this is a sponsored unboxing from Viewstar. Now, Viewstar is a online retailer. They also sell through Amazon as well, and they deal in luxury quality hotel products. So that tells you I actually have a mattress cover and some pillows. But I'm waiting on some more stuff from them that you will still be seeing upcoming very soon as well. But my package comes like this. And to you guys, I hope everyone is still constantly doing quarantine cleaning so you can stay safe on whatever thing you're putting in your home. And the mattress covers looks like this. And this is, I ordered the King, and it is the 76 by 80 inches. It's the Viewstar Sleep Better Mattress Protector. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. It is waterproof, breathable, cotton, hypoallergenic, and dust mite resistant. So we're going to try this out on the bed, but we did order this. We ordered the hotel quality pillow pair. Now, to you guys, please don't forget, all of the items that you see that I do bring in for sponsorship, you do have to go over most of the home decor related stuff. You have to go over and check out Glam Queen of DIY. You guys, that channel is actually Glam Queen of Decor. It's the hotel quality pillow, and it is the XOXO Text Confidence and Textile brands, and it's made by Viewstar, and it says Sleep Better. And I want to come back because once we get these pillows out, you have to give it a 24 hours before the pillows fully set up. I'm dropping Viewstar website and their Amazon site down in my description box along with the discount code. So if you want you some of these quality hotel products for your bedding, please make sure you go over and check them out. But all of that information will be down in my description. Make sure you hit that discount code to snag you some at an affordable price. There's two in there, you guys. So, and once again, we're gonna take them out and let them fluff. But they do have to have 24 hours to fluff. And you guys, the packaging was exceptional. They was packaged within a package within a package, which means that you'll get your stuff more securely. And as I was pulling this off, I just did the voiceover because of all of the rattling. Now, once I cut this and started to pull the pillow, it immediately started to fluff, and I think in probably about 30 minutes this pillow was at its maximum capacity. I have slept on it for a few days now, and you guys, these pillows are amazing. You do need to pick up these. You guys, and it's already fluffing itself, but you know, to fluff your pillow you gotta hit it, you gotta pat it, and you gotta squeeze it. And now, she is actually fluffing up very quickly, but it says give it a total of 24 hours to fully fluff. See how thin it is? Look at that, you guys. And look so far. Look at that. I can't wait. I've been trying to you guys, I'm going to come back and do a review Maybe some of you guys are like me, but my head sweats at night. And I've been trying to find different products to where you'll be seeing more of these coming, but I've been trying different products. Immediately on opening it actually starts to fluff itself right in the bag. But I've been trying to find products that I can use to sleep on that actually don't allow my head or cause my head to sweat at night. And I'm hoping this is it. If this is it, this will be the one. And if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, do so now. Make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor to see all home decor related items featured. Now I'm going to let you see me adding that mattress cover to the bed. Also that the duvet comforter did come in, and you're going to see me opening that as well. And you guys, I told you that duvet did come in. My package came like this. I did clean the package as well. I've already opened the box, and this is that actually is a king size duvet, and it's the all seasons comforter. And you guys, their logo for these is a better quality sleep. I'm telling you guys, make sure you go over and check it out. I have used these on my bed for about 4 days now, you guys, and the quality and the softness is exceptional. And as you can see, this duvet is actually still in the airtight package as well. I'm going to take my scissors, and you guys, once I cut this bag open, that duvet begin to fluff immediately. Now I will tell you, make sure you do hit that link for Viewstar down in my description. Their website link and their Amazon site link is there as well. The plushness off of the pillows and the duvet is tremendously great, you guys. I like my bed and to be plush and soft, and this delivered. I'm telling you, it seems like I did sleep better. So I'm gonna come back again, you guys, in a couple more weeks to tell you what do I actually still think after using it for a few more weeks. But I'm telling you, will not be disappointed with this product. And this is the final result. Never mind what I have sitting out on the side, but I have the pillows on the bed, the duvet, and I did put on that mattress cover. Again, go check out Viewstar. Their information is down in my description box. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and the Glam Queen Unboxing.